Following 3 years of planning, including delays due to COVID, on the 25th of August 2022, Queensland Law Society Council resolved to approve the refurbishment of Law Society House at 179 Ann Street. Law Society House's initial development in 1987 occurred as a result of a long-term vision by successive councils to position QLS centrally in the CBD, close to our members, whilst building a significant member asset. The need to be visible, accessible and offer service to our members from a central location was seen as key, as was presenting to the broader profession the significance and the gravitas of the solicitors branch within the profession itself. Now, back in the mid-80s, QLS had 2,500 members. There are 10,000 more members now, and the council then borrowed $5 million at around 15% interest, plus using cash reserves to buy the vacant lot here and develop the building. It was a massive project, and for a small organisation, it demonstrated long-range strategic thinking, resulting in the profession being the beneficiary of a highly utilised CBD building for almost 4 decades, which is now a significant member asset. The building has turned 37 years old, and as one would expect, has a number of end-of-life and non-compliant items that need to be replaced or upgraded, which are now impacting the building's current usability, its functionality, its valuation, its rental income potential, and ongoing maintenance costs. Advice that we've received from our property valuers and modelling from our external property consultants has demonstrated that delaying a refurbishment would be risky, given the escalating building costs, maintenance costs, and the reduced rental capacity. So much like the decision taken to develop Law Society in the 1980s, we needed to make a decision now for the future. Financially, it's been a somewhat easier decision for us in 2022, as we've been able to secure a $10 million low-interest loan from QTC and also lock in builders through tender and early contractor involvement. We know costs will increase and access to bills will become more challenging as we approach the Olympics, so now's the time for this project. Independent modelling has shown us the most responsible management of this member asset is to refurbish now, meaning we'll achieve the best likely building valuation and financial position for the society in the future and offer a good quality CBD facility for the future generations. The refurbishment will position Law Society House as a modern, functional and accessible space, including a new building facade and entrance, a new lobby with concierge and cafe. The QLS staff will move to a modern fit-out over 2 floors, meaning we triple our conference and event space and increase the meeting and mediation facilities throughout the building. This will be terrific for members and users of Law Society House. The fit-out will also offer a new members lounge on level 6, including a business centre and co-working spaces. We'll also return level 3 to a warm shell, and it'll be available for commercial rent. So the refurbishment will commence in early October 2022 and conclude in late May 2023. During this time, the building will remain operational right throughout the project. However, there will be periodic changes to access and some facilities which will communicate to members and staff on an ongoing basis. More information about this important project is available on our website, and we'll also be providing members with regular updates throughout the project via video, via Proctor Online, our magazine. If you have any questions, you can email ceo@qls.com.au and we will answer these via the FAQ pages on the website.